What's up, guys? Welcome back. Dr. Kaplan here with Kaplan Chiropractic Center. Today we're talking about movement. We've got Sadie Kaplan, my wife here, athlete extraordinaire and super mom. She's going to show us the most important movements that we want to do. So we've talked about how movement and pain are inverse, and we've talked about how functionality and movement are inverse as well. In my opinion, things you can do at home to help you the best are going to be to move your hips most appropriately and to move your upper back most appropriately. If those two things move well, then you're going to default to a better posture and be the best you can be. We're going to talk about general ranges of motion to start now, but in the hip, there's three ranges we want to focus on. You're going to have your leg flat up on some sort of surface, a bench. She wants to be able to fully move forward and back, so she's going to glide forward and back with her hip, forward and back. Good. That's going to put the range of motion in the hip forward and back, which is ultra important. We're focusing on the back hip, so her left hip that's backwards. When she does this, she also wants to make sure that she rolls her hips forward, because as she brings her hips forward, almost like you're trying to hump forward, that's going to put good tension on the front of the pelvis. Once you've gone forward and back for 5 to 10 reps, you want to focus on side to side. So gliding, like her hips are on a track, side to side, in and out, and you remember you're focusing on the back hip. The last one is going to be circles. She's going to try and do circles around to the left, 10, 10, 10, and then ultimately you're going to switch sides and do this a couple times a day. All you need is a bench and your body. This will help move your hip in the appropriate position, and when the hip moves well, your body should default to a better pelvic position, which should give you better posture and help you move a lot more. If you have any questions about how to move, let us know. I'll see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.